Have you ever uploaded a cat video to YouTube? If so, you're part of a phenomenon that even helped shape the future of artificial intelligence. In 2012, Google's AI team built a massive neural network and let it watch millions of YouTube videos. Without being told what to look for, the system learned to recognize cats all on its own, a quirky but powerful demonstration of deep learning. This breakthrough was just the beginning. Over the past decade, AI has moved from the realm of science fiction and clunky customer service bots to everyday tools like Google Translate, self-driving cars, and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These advances have sparked a new wave of excitement, with tech giants pouring billions into AI research and startups racing to add AI to everything. But what does this AI spring really mean for our future? Despite all the hype, today's AI is still what experts call narrow or weak AI. That means it can do specific tasks like playing chess, translating languages, or recognizing faces extremely well, but it can't think or reason like a human across different domains. For example, AlphaGo can beat world champions at Go, but it can't play checkers or write a movie review. Dream of general or strong AI machines that can match or surpass human intelligence in every way remains elusive. Some experts predict we'll get there in a few decades, while others say it's always 15 to 25 years away. The debate continues. Will a pile of narrow intelligences ever add up to true general intelligence, or is there something fundamentally different about the way humans think? Answer whether machines can truly think. Alan Turing proposed the famous Turing test. If a computer can fool a human into thinking it's human through conversation, does it count as intelligent? Over the years, chatbots have tried to pass this test, but most experts agree that tricking someone for a few minutes isn't real intelligence. Enter Kurzweil in the idea of the singularity, a future moment when AI surpasses human intelligence and changes everything. Kurzweil predicts this could happen by 2045, thanks to exponential advances in computing and neuroscience. But skeptics argue that software progress isn't keeping up with hardware, and that true intelligence may require more than just fast computers. As the debate rages on, one thing is clear: the journey toward human-level AI is as much about philosophy and imagination as it is about technology.